In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use XLR mic on PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a microphone that is primarily connected over an XLR cable, you can still set it up on your PlayStation 5. Of course, you will need an XLR cable, but there is nowhere to plug it into the PlayStation 5, so you need something to convert the signal. Most people would opt for an audio interface, and while this is correct, sadly, a lot of interfaces simply refuse to work on the PlayStation 5. So a very popular choice, for example, Focusrite, doesn't really work out of the box. So in this video, I'm going to showcase one specifically designed audio interface for the PlayStation 5 so you can establish XLR connections, which is the Elgato Wave XLR. There might be other options available on the market, but like I said before, this one is guaranteed to work. It is designed to work with the PlayStation 5 and other platforms, so all that you have to do is acquire one of these and you will establish a connection by plugging the XLR microphone into the back of the unit. So there will be a clearly labeled microphone port here for XLR. Then you plug in the XLR cable and then the other end goes into the microphone. Once the microphone is connected to the Elgato, then you use the USB port to establish a connection between it and the PlayStation 5. So usually this will be done with a USB-C to USB-C cable, but you can do USB-C to USB-A as well. So with the microphone connected to the Elgato and then the Elgato connected to the console, when you go over to the sound settings on your PlayStation 5, you choose the microphone category and then input device, you will be able to select the Elgato Wave XLR. So it's as simple as plugging it alongside the microphone into your PlayStation 5. Of course, it is quite expensive, but like I said before, it will work flawlessly and it is by far one of the highest quality options. If you find a cheaper audio interface that is fully compatible with the PlayStation 5, please leave it in the comment section below. I hope I was able to help you on how to use XLR mic on PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.